I have this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity just for you. My name is Louis de Jager from Commensalist Landscape Design. We're standing here around 10 kilometers from the center of Brussels in the middle of nature. It is truly stunning, and this place is for you. It's a chateau, a domain of around 10 hectares where you can do whatever you like. Well, there is a catch. There are some things you need to do, such as having the perfect permaculture lifestyle. So another requirement is grow food, have a CSA market garden to grow the best vegetables that you can possibly imagine, an ecological place where people can come and escape the city and really enjoy nature. There are some beautiful ponds, a beautiful castle, also a beautiful forest. Now, if this sounds like music in your ears, and we already have a lot of people who are interested, please fill out the form, contact me, and maybe you will be the person who can live out his or her dreams in this beautiful place. Oh my God, good luck.